Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be discussing contraindications of ultrasound. So I have listed down the contraindications and then I'll be discussing each of it in detail. So let's start. First contraindication is vascular conditions. Vascular condition is a condition where the circulation to a particular part is affected. So in any condition where heating effect to a particular part is contraindicated, the use of ultrasound is also contraindicated. The reason is ischemic tissues or any vascular condition has its heat dissipating mechanism affected. So on this area, if you apply ultrasound, the heat produced by it will not dissipate properly and it can lead to further tissue damage. Second contraindication is radiotherapy. Radiotherapy is given in malignant conditions. So cases where radiotherapy has been done, ultrasound has to be avoided for at least 6 months. The reason being there is a risk of stimulating any remaining malignant cell in that area and therefore ultrasound is avoided. Also because after radiation the cells have become a little weak, there are several changes that take place in the skin. First is damage to the fibroblasts. Second is endothelial cell necrosis. Third is microvascular atrophy. So these three changes take place which can reduce the capacity of the skin to manage changes in local heating produced by ultrasound, and therefore it is best to avoid ultrasound for at least 6 months after radiotherapy has been done. Third contraindication is acute sepsis. So any case of infection, ultrasound is avoided to make sure that there is no spread of infection that occurs. Next is tumors. So ultrasound is avoided in case of tumors because the heating effect produced with it can stimulate the growth of the cells in the tumor and may induce metastasis. Next, ultrasound is avoided in pregnancy on the back and abdomen because that can induce fetal damage. Next is in cases where there is a cardiac pacemaker, it can have an effect on the pacemaker's rate of stimulation.